Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited to have you all here. So we're reaching the end of week 4, that's correct. So we talked a lot about technical communication and how we talked a lot about the response types of all these different types of technical aspects and visual elements and symbols that work with those things. So now we talked a lot about user experience, so I thought it would be a good idea to talk about heuristics and how these can help you out and create guidelines for you when you're trying to create visual elements and visual pieces. So it's always good to have this kind of concept when you're developing these type of documents and these type of visuals for people to understand. So this is nothing tied to the lecture material, but it's something that can help you out if you do end up creating visuals. It'd be good to create a set of guidelines for you so that you have a set rules. And Sharpen Productions does a really good job. They're a website design company, but they follow some really good principles about it. And a heuristics is a really interesting thing. It's a set of guidelines or rules to follow that's agreed upon by a group of people. So, your company or whoever you're working with agrees to these sets of rules, and then this is how you guys go about your work. They're not really rules; they're just guidelines, really. Sometimes they can be broken, but it just depends on the concept. But they follow the main concepts of clarity, simplicity, proximity, engagement, navigation. And Sharpen Productions is a good company to go for. So they focus on simplicity. Simple is beautiful, not cluttered work. They also think the design is paramount because the appeal is huge. So first impressions always got to be important. And then navigation should be intuitive. It should be well organized with a top wall down sign. These are 3 of the guidelines they focus on. Another 3 they go with is consistency. As long as the pages are consistent, it's very easy for someone to understand where that information is coming from. So it must be consistent organization so they can gain a sense of trust of their viewers. Colors are also crucial, same thing. Consistent color palettes are always key, and don't use random colors, and don't use all of it because it just causes confusion. And make your website responsive. That's another rule of theirs. The more responsive it is, the more accessible it is across multiple devices. That's huge. So you can reach a lot more people that way. Now, most of these other ones are more like technical. For example, developed for multiple browsers. You want to make sure that it works on multiple browsers like Bing, Safari, Google Chrome, Edge. The more browsers it works on, the better it's going to be. And also check the site for errors. Clarity is huge, right? So you want to make sure everything's clear on the website, everything makes sense. And write your own code. Don't use templates. This is another programmer thing where you can have a lot more freedom with your own code rather than just using the template code. And then finally, don't forget the content. This ties into engagement. So the more engaged you are, the more you're going to use that website. That's going to be huge. So yeah, these 10 rules and guidelines help Sharpen Productions create their visuals and create their products. And it's only going to get bigger after that. So yeah, and you can do the same thing for your own stuff as well to really make it your own. And as you're developing visuals, you can create guidelines on your own concepts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's all I got. So do keep in mind you have your discussion post tonight, cool. And then Sunday you have your written assignment for week 4 and your lecture assignment as well. Also, I'll be posting on discussions today too. So keep in mind, and your grades have been finished as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, have a great weekend. Enjoy, and I'll see everybody for a class on lecture for an announcement. So keep in mind that. Other than that, take it easy.